Today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use Genspark AI for free, how to sign in, and how to get the best results even if you're a complete beginner. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll also share a few tips that can instantly improve the quality of your AI-generated content. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to use Genspark AI for free, step by step. If you've never used Genspark AI before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your account, log in, and start using its powerful AI features. Let's begin with the login process. Open your web browser and visit the official Genspark AI website. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign up or login button in the top right corner. If you're a new user, click sign up. You can create your account using your Google account or your email address. The registration process only takes a minute. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. This is where you'll find all the available AI tools and features. The interface is clean and beginner friendly, so you won't have any trouble navigating through it. Now let's see how to use Genspark AI. On the dashboard, choose the AI tool that matches your task. You can ask questions, generate content, brainstorm ideas, summarize information, or complete many other tasks with just a single prompt. The secret to getting great results is writing a clear and detailed prompt. Instead of typing something short like write a blog, try something more specific. For example, write a 500-word beginner-friendly blog about AI video tools with simple English, practical examples, and an engaging introduction. The more context you give, the better the AI understands what you're looking for. Once your prompt is ready, click the Generate button and wait a few seconds. Genspark AI will create a detailed response almost instantly. If the result isn't exactly what you wanted, don't start over. Simply edit your prompt by adding more details, changing the tone, or specifying the format. Even small improvements in your prompt can produce much better results. If you're using the free version, keep an eye on your available usage limits. Free access may include daily limits or restricted premium features, so it's a good idea to use your prompts wisely and make each request as detailed as possible. One useful tip is to save your best prompts. That way, you can reuse them later and consistently get high quality results without rewriting everything from scratch. So that's how you can use Genspark AI for free. From creating your account to writing better prompts, you've learned everything you need to get started. With a little practice, you'll be able to create faster, smarter, and more professional AI content. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.